Is your 2013-2014 Subaru BRZ key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through replacing the CR2032 battery in your fob, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Expect to replace the battery every 1 to 2 years with regular use. We will cover the tools, steps, and important tips to ensure a smooth replacement. Typical signs of a dying key fob battery include reduced operating range, less than 10 to 20 feet, and intermittent function. For this task, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or similar prying tool like a key ring tool, a new CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect the fob casing. A CR2032 battery costs 1 to 2 USD, while full fob replacements, if damaged, range from 50 to 150 USD. Locate the small seam or notch on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam and gently twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force, as this can damage the plastic casing. Work your way around the perimeter until the fob separates. Note, some fobs may have a small screw securing the casing. Remove it first if present. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use the tip of the screwdriver or your fingernail to gently pry the battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the surrounding electronics or metal contacts. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Take your CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder with the positive side facing up. Make sure the polarity is correct. The positive terminal should be facing upward. This prevents damage to the key fob electronics. Gently insert the battery into the holder. It should snap into place securely. Finally, double-check the battery orientation before reassembling the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together until they snap shut. Ensure that all edges are flush and securely closed. If there was a screw, reinstall and tighten it. To test the key fob, press the lock and unlock buttons on your Subaru BRZ. Observe the response from your vehicle to ensure the fob is working properly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the casing is fully closed. In rare cases, reprogramming may be needed by cycling the ignition 10 times or referring to your owner's manual. Mechanics also recommend cleaning the contacts with rubbing alcohol during battery replacement to prevent issues. Avoid static electricity by grounding yourself before handling the battery or internal components. Do not force the fob open, as this can crack the plastic. If you encounter corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them with rubbing alcohol. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Replacing the battery is generally low risk. Automotive experts advise that key fob battery replacement is among the top 10 DIY repairs, with a 90% success rate for owners following guides.